This is the Wedgewood collection from our friends at 49 and Market, and there are just so many beautifully coordinating things. And so let me set a couple of these aside. I'll begin with the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6 papers. Now they have the same designs, and of course the size will be a difference, but in this one, this is the 12 by 12. Let me show you. You're going to get 6 double-sided papers, but you also get a paper, or it's really a cardstock, printed on the back of the insert. And there's also a border at the bottom. You trim that off, and you've got another element. So here we go with all of them, and you can see, again, there is a border. And blue is the color, Wedgewood being the title. And let me turn this over. And there you go, beautiful colors. And then they've snuck in some yellow. I thought that was fun and interesting. There we go. And here is called Sunset. And then we combine the two colors, which is fun. And here's the difference, again, other than the size, but in this, in the 12 by 12, you get these laser cut pieces. So no cutting involved, and they are very intricately cut. That's what a laser will do. And there are 92 laser pieces here. So there's 2 sheets, but a total of 92. And they're just going to pop right out of the backing. You can kind of see as I'm lifting these, they're just going to pop right out. So very beautiful. And I think that 49 Market is the only place that you can get that type of printed laser cut design. So this is the 12 by 12. Now when we go into this 6 by 6, so we're going to get a little bit closer, there are a total of 21 sheets, and let me show you what these look like. These are also double-sided, and the front one also is printed on the back side, so as you can see. So let me bring in my stack of these just to show you. And so get a nice good look at each one. So again, it's the same designs as that I just showed you, but in a 6 by 6 size. Now, as I said, in the 12 by 12, you get the laser cut. In the 6 by 6, you get cutouts. And there are a total of 93. So you're going to get 3 sheets of every single thing I'm showing you. And those. So similar imagery, definitely, but these will be cut out by you as opposed to being laser cut, which is just one more difference that we're going to get. 21 of the 6 by 6 sheets. Now, what goes with them? Well, let me show you. We have some washi tapes. Now, the way that 49 and Market does them, you're going to get 2 strips. They're the same, and there's going to be 7 pieces going across. You can see all that variety of design. You just lift them off. They are somewhat transparent. You can kind of see it as I'm wiggling this piece around, but you're going to get a total of 14 pieces. Now, what else do they have? Well, let me show you this. They have 34 die cut pieces. Now let me slip them out. The other thing they always do is their packaging gives you another piece that you might want to play with. So that's kind of nice to know. So as I flip these out, you can see that there's a variety of sizes, a variety of artistry, and many things that you can mix and match. And that's what they call these, is that they are mix and match. You have kind of the Viewmaster piece, you've got some very pretty lace, you've got just really different pieces. They are printed on one side, as I just showed you, and they are meant to mix and match. So you can stamp on them, you can ink them, you can put fab foil on them, just lots of different things. And you see that you really get some large pieces too. So you can cut those apart and do some fun things. So that is the 34 Wedgewood ephemera die cuts. There that is. There's also, I know it just keeps going on, doesn't it? These are rub-ons, and there are 3 different sheets in the package. So let me show you each one. You see that very special tool for just rubbing them down. So there's one sheet, another sheet, and a third sheet. I think it's really wonderful that they're different designs, and as you know, you just cut that out, you place it on your surface and rub with that very special tool and just lift off, and just beautiful. And there are two more special things in the Wedgewood collection. We have some stamps, and there are 11 pieces here. They are clear photopolymer, sorry, and you can see that they also, you can see that spray, clocks, butterflies, lots of things. And one of my things that I'm very excited about is they have brought back the layered embellishment set. Now there are 82 pieces in this. Again, there's some artwork there that you might want to use, but I love these because, well, there's nothing else like it. They are plastic and they are attached with foam pads, but they are three-dimensional. So you can see there's two layers there. And there is this giant wreath. Now, because these are plastic, you can cut them and use them as you like, but they are just quite wonderful and quite striking on your pieces. So you can see that, and you could even put some of their very pretty flowers with it. So there are, let me see, there are 19 layered shapes. There are some epoxy words. You've got today, you, best ever. There's also 60 glitter epoxy coated bubbles right there. And so altogether, there's 82 pieces, which is just kind of amazing. So the Wedgewood collection is here. We've got the layered embellishments, the stamps, the rub-ons, the washi, the 12 by 12, the 6 by 6, and the die cuts. Wow, what a collection. We're delighted to have it here from 49 and Market.